Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Victim girl identifies constable involved in police sex scandal in an identification parade. Women Commission blames police of not cooperating with the commission. Union government rejects Goa government's proposal of 3-year MOU for IFFI. DFF sticks to 1 year. Organizers intend to introduce 3D films from this year. Parrikar warns against any manipulations in selection process of candidates by Health Department. Challenges Vishwajit for a public debate on PPP. Lakshman Adkonkar dies in an accident. Two-wheeler gets crushed between two buses. And the Indian football team was detained for 90 minutes at the Barbados airport. Interim India coach Armando Colasso backs decision not to play Barbados, reveals horrors of Caribbean to a Prudent Media. And now the news in detail. Police sex scandal accused Constable Vishwa Vijay Parab has been identified by the victim girl. The identification parade was held at Mapsa Mamladar's office. Vishwa Vijay Parab allegedly forced her to have oral sex with him at Mapsa police station after she rescued herself from a flesh trade racket. Women's Commission has alleged that police are not cooperating with them.
Identification parade was held in the office of the Mapsa Mamladar on Monday in the presence of the Mamladar Gauri Shankwalkar and chairperson of Women's Commission Ezilda Sapeko. Sources say that the 25-year-old victim identified Constable Vishwa Vijay Parab. He allegedly had oral sex with her on the night of 11th August. Sources say that the Mamladar has reported the parade noting to the Mapsa court. Women Commission has alleged that Mapsa and Pedne police are not cooperating with the commission in this case.
Now I am waiting for the reports. The Pedne police and the Mapsa police have not been that cooperative. They were supposed to send me the reports, but till today I have not received any reports from them. I will be asking them the reasons for the delay.
The commission has taken strong objection to the transfer of the case to Women's Police Station. Women's Commission feels that Women's Police Station is not a competent body to probe the case.
And I am quite surprised that the case has been transferred from there to Women's Police Station. I will be going and meeting DG. First of all, I would like to compliment DG for taking a swift action in the matter based on the evidence given by the victim to him. Immediately he took the action. And I will go to DG because I feel that there should be a competent person investigating this matter.
Constable Vishwa Vijay Parab is suspended and is currently in judicial custody. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Shan.
Union government has rejected Goa government's proposal to sign IFFI MOU for 3 years. The MOU will be signed for 1 year like before. Preparations for IFFI have begun and organizers are planning an overhaul of the festival look. Efforts are on to introduce 3D films in this year's IFFI.
Organizers of the IFFI are intending to raise standard of the festival. They are planning to take some prominent filmmakers on board to make it a success. Goa government and the central authorities for IFFI held a meeting on Monday. This year IFFI will commence on 23rd November and it will go on till 3rd December. Importantly, the IFFI office will be permanently stationed in Goa.
We are trying to bring in a complete phase change for the festival in Goa. Unlike in previous years, the entire IFFI Secretariat has started its work in a big way in Goa. We are having the opening function at Ravindra Bhavan, which has a greater seating capacity.
Goa government had demanded that the IFFI MOU should be signed at least for 3 years, but Union government did not pay any heed to the demand.
This is a decision that is taken by policy makers. It's not within our ambit as to how it should go about. It's the Honorable CM's prerogative and the Minister's prerogative, and it's a policy level that is taken at the highest end.
The organizers have decided to introduce 3D films in the festival from this year. If all goes well, then people will have an opportunity to watch films like Avatar in IFFI. Organizers have also proposed to showcase some popular films at open venues in Panji.
We are bringing 3D 3D animation films will be brought in here. If you look, films like Avatar, they are masterpieces. And the objective is to expose our audiences, people, including filmmakers, the general public, to the best in the world.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Parrikar has warned that he won't let any manipulations take place in selection of candidates by the health department. Parrikar has once again challenged Vishwajit Rane for a public debate on the PPP issue. Vishwajit Rane had earlier challenged Parrikar for an open debate on Prudent.
The leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has further intensified his attack on Health Minister Vishwajit Rane over discrepancies in health sector. Government has declared more than 700 vacant posts for new ID hospital in Ponda. Parrikar says this hospital requires much lesser staff and efforts are on by the health minister to select candidates from selected areas. Parrikar has now appealed unemployed Goan youth to apply for these posts.
I challenge health minister to manipulate them. Tapasdar आ धर तूं ताका जाल्यार ताणें तें मॅन्युपुलेट करून दाखोवची कारण ताणें शिवोले स्टेटमेंट केल्लो आहा आपूण 200 पोस्ट कोण तो पालेकार सांगता ताका दितलो ताणें आनीक खंय स्टेटमेंट केला 300 पोस्ट हाका दितलो. I challenge him this time. Let him do it if he has got the guts. We will not allow interviews to be manipulated. We will not allow postal delays allowed. All this process will be scrutinized at every step.
BJP is also planning to approach the High Court over Mapsa District Hospital issue. Parrikar has further charged that there have been manipulations in tendering process of pharmacy in GMC and GMC Dean is becoming a party to the manipulations by Health Minister. On 11th July in a weekly head-on, Vishwajit Rane had challenged Parrikar for an open debate on PPP. Later Parrikar accepted the challenge and now once again Parrikar has asked Vishwajit to face him on a public platform.
The TV channel, he challenged me, so I told him back that I am ready for any debate. Tumka to openly sangta, I am ready for any debate with him in public forum, uncontrolled and unlimited debate. I'll ask him questions how fraudulent methodology is used by him.
However, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane was not available for comments over Leader of Opposition's challenge. A senior reporter from Panji Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.